Let's eat HEB snacks. Spicy salmon roll. Cheers. I honestly don't go there that much because it's way too overstimulating. I like to go chill and like shop, but everyone is so unnecessarily aggressive. Just like, relax, bitch. Like that. And then I get aggressive. Wait for you. I haven't had the berry lemonade yet. Chicken egg rolls. I don't normally get hot food that's supposed to be crispy because I feel like it's gonna be soggy. Will they be crispy? Sauce. Oh yeah, they're not. They're not crispy. Okay, they still taste good, but it just doesn't hit the same when they're not crispy. There's stuff in there. Wait for you. It's a mango passion cake slice. Do you see that? Some kind of passion fruit jelly on there. Alright, there it is. The mango is super good, but there's something like gritty in it. Bye.